Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into a skin issue that troubles many people, blackheads. Whether you are new to skincare or an experienced enthusiast, understanding blackheads is the first step toward achieving clear skin. By the end of this video, you will learn how to identify different types of blackheads and the most effective methods to remove them. Let's get started. What are blackheads? First, let's understand what blackheads are. Blackheads, also known as open comedones, are small bumps that appear on the skin due to clogged hair follicles. The surface looks dark, which is why they are called blackheads. Here are the main reasons they form. 1. Sebum production. Your skin naturally produces oil, sebum, to keep it moisturized. However, when excess oil combines with dead skin cells, it can clog pores. 2. Oxidation. When the clogged pores are exposed to air, they oxidize and turn black, hence the name blackhead. What are the different types of blackheads? 1. Keratin filament. Blackheads. These feel smooth to the touch and have smaller pores. When squeezed, a yellow-white stringy substance may appear. Some residue may remain in the pores even after squeezing. 2. Sebaceous filament blackheads. These also feel smooth but have larger pores, like strawberry seeds, and are easy to remove due to shallower blockage. Both types are oily blackheads, which are the most common. 3. Keratin plug blackheads. These have a gritty feel and are hard to the touch, making them difficult to squeeze out due to more complete pore blockage. Understanding the causes of blackheads can help you prevent them. Here are some common triggers. 1. Hormonal changes. During puberty, menstruation, or hormonal changes, sebum production increases, leading to more blackheads. 2. Skincare products. Some products can be comedogenic, meaning they block pores. It's essential to choose non-comedogenic products, especially if you're prone to blackheads. 3. Diet and lifestyle. High-fat and sugary diets can increase sebum production. A balanced diet and regular exercise can help maintain clear skin. Many people resort to squeezing or using pore strips to remove blackheads, but these methods have drawbacks. 1. Squeezing. This can enlarge pores over time and increase the number of blackheads, eventually leading to a condition known as strawberry nose. 2. Pore strips. While satisfying to use, the pulling action on the skin can cause redness, damage the skin barrier, and even enlarge pores. What are the effective ingredients and methods for blackhead removal? Here are some proven effective methods. 1. Double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and excess oil, followed by a water-based cleanser to clean deeper into the pores. 2. Exfoliation. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and prevents them from clogging pores. Use gentle chemical exfoliants such as salicylic acid. This beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, penetrates deep into the pores to dissolve excess keratin and oil, making it excellent for treating blackheads. Azelaic acid. Known for reducing oil production and unclogging pores, azelaic acid is also great for preventing acne and improving skin texture. Retinoids. These vitamin A derivatives increase cell turnover, helping to clear out clogged pores and prevent new blackheads from forming. Clay masks. Use clay masks once or twice a week to absorb excess oil and draw out impurities from the skin. Gentle pore strips. Choose pore strips that draw out blackheads and tighten pores, effectively cleaning blackheads and closed comedones to help maintain healthy pores. Finally, besides using the right products, here are some lifestyle tips to maintain clear skin. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin hydrated. 2. Healthy diet. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables, to promote skin health. 3. Consistent skincare routine. Stick to a routine that works for you and be patient, as it can take time to see results.